So, Aaron Clocker, exclusive to a 5-pack. He got released. In the bin he goes. Dan Garcia, exclusive to a 10-pack with Bruce Miller, which, funny enough, was released twice to an exclusive 2-pack. Once with him, with Dan Garcia, and on his own in a 10-pack. Both got released except for Bruce Miller. He is safe. So, and Dan Garcia, in the bin he goes. Bobby Rochester, exclusive to a 10-pack, luckily has not been released by a Vietnam version. And actually, speaking of that, in the bin, Bruce Miller goes because he got released by Vietnam. Bobby Rochester here is the only one that hasn't got released so far. But yeah, Harvey Rodcap, exclusive to an 11-pack because Luigi and Guido aren't in an 11-pack. But you guys know where this is going. He got released from Thailand. In the bin he goes. That was a fail. Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today, before this video starts, of course this suggestion is actually by the person who made the thumbnail for me. So shout out to CCCC Cars Collector, also known as Cars Fan. Go follow him on Instagram because he is now my personal thumbnail maker. And guys, this is where my channel is going to possibly change, and massive thanks to him, because if it weren't for him, my channel wouldn't be the way it is. He told me to start editing my videos, and I've done that. And my channel has grown massively since then, and especially now I've got my personal editor. Give him a shout out. Go follow him, do everything you want. Anyways, without further ado, let's start off this review on Harvey Rodcap. Now, I will also leave some pictures of where he appeared in Cars 3. Of course, he is an Easy Idol next gen racer for, well, Easy Idol. So yeah, there's his appearance in Cars 3, etc. And now, let's turn on the flashlight for the review. Move the camera back. So this is the China version, which was the exclusive to the 10-pack. We'll be taking a closer look at the Thailand one as well. So this is a Thailand versus China comparison. So shout out to Piston Cup Productions for originally starting off this series as well. So yeah, here is the Easy Idol logo on the front of Harvey Rodcap. We've got these blue stripes coming down here. We've got these white lines too. We also got these headlights here. Usual next gen expression as well. The Harvey Rodcap's eyes there. On the roof we've got 15 in this blue colour. We've got roof flaps here. No window bars, which we will get onto in a little bit. Logos here of Easy Idol on both sides. The spoiler, which reads Easy Idol, which is cool. Now we go into the side. We've got the usual Lightyear rims, which is cool. We've got the sponsors, Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and for some reason, no Synergy. Because look, if you see, there's no Synergy. We've got this blue stripe going across here, going in this grey colour and this white. We've got 15 there. We've got exhaust pipes here across this blue line. Very nice. We've got exhaust pipe here. And that's not an exhaust pipe. That is a fuel cap. Just getting so used to saying it. Anyways, here is the back. We got rear headlights here. Pretty cool. Rookie stripes, Easy Idol logo. And oh my god. What the is that? Not gonna... Mattel! Anyways, made in China, as usual. Pixar cars. There's the base. Pretty cool. That is Harvey Rodcap. Now comparing him to his Thailand release, which I do have one packaged, so we'll go over the Thailand package first. So Harvey Rodcap here, we got Mattel, we got the Diecast, very cool. He's in the next gen line. We've also got Harvey Rodcap here. We've got Cars logo there too. There he is. There's the European packaging with the little picture of the scene there too of next gens. So yeah, here is the Thailand version. There is a difference because the China release does have this metallic colour, as you can clearly see on camera. And the also other difference is that you can also see that he's got windows / support bars, or whatever you like to call them, as you can see, which I really do like the feature, but I would have to go with the China release for Harvey just because he does look metallic. Also on the diecast, he's got these like little hexagon lines, a bit reminds me of Synergy a little bit. as well. So that is a difference. Does he have combustion? No, he doesn't have Synergy, the other sponsor. But yeah, I have to go with the China version for this. Now, there is also this minis release, which does have a different spoiler, as you can see, to the diecast. But here is the mini comparing him to the Thailand one now. We'll move him out of the way. Pretty cool. Like I said, the spoiler is different. No support bars. But one feature that I will give the mini the bonus for is that there's a 15 there under the diecast, which is actually correct the movie. So yeah, that is cool. Here is the base of the Thailand one too, if you are interested. Now, what are you going to do, like we always usually do? Of course, unfortunately there was a cancelled Easy Idol Crew Chief and Pity, which I will leave a little picture here of the cancelled Crew Chief. But yeah, we've got Pity, which is the only one that did get released, I should say. We also got Ruby, so we can see that the number used to be 51, but changed because that was Doc's number, so they had to use 15. Got copyrighted. And of course, Clutchen. Also shout out to the YouTuber Clutchen, if he is watching this far long. Hello. And now, just quickly, I like to say, I won't be using the turntable anymore because I don't really like it in my videos. It's just a bit too boring. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand that reason. And yeah, if you are new, please make sure to subscribe to watch my review on Chick Hits coming soon. Dislike if you dislike this video, for haters I guess. Subscribe and you hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one, peace.